Alright, we're back, and just before I pan on Josh, we have a jacuzzi or hot tub that's closed for treatment because it's wet or dirty or something, I'm not sure. Yep. And there he is. There he is.
I'm not going under that.
Why? Yeah, he's going under the water. Yeah, you're going under. Alright, so now he's going to go under the waterfall, which is right there. And let's see if I can go quickly pan on him. If I can pan on him going under. Alright, look at him go. Look at him go. He's coming. That is a lot of water coming down. I have been under that many times. Oh, there he is. How'd you like that? Sucks. What do you mean it sucks? Yeah. Okay guys, so that is it for the lazy river, and now I'm going to show you the ocean.